Hello everyone, this is Tosum here, and today I'm going to be showing you 5 animal wooden model kits that I got from my grandma because she shipped Easter gifts to me and my siblings. She put them in a bag along with Reese's mini peanut butter cups, and I just built them yesterday, all of them in one day. It only took me like an hour to do so. So yeah, here's the sheets. I broke the one for the deer. So yeah, all of them just come with one sheet. And then again, I broke the one for the deer. They of course included an instruction booklet. Not just an instruction paper. What's weird is that they call this one the unicorn. That looks nothing like a unicorn. That looks more like a dragon. So yeah, here's all 5 of them. Let's start with the deer because that's the one I built first. They're also like very thin. See? Yeah, not very three-dimensional. So yeah, these ones are mostly in static poses, but you can kind of wiggle the legs around. So yeah. What do you have next? Let's go with the wolf. I actually built them second. Let's see. Oh, this one. This part broke off, so I had to like tape it. I mean, it looks pretty cool though. You know, so I had like a flaming tail, and all of them had fire. Yeah, all of them had flames on their legs. And what else? Oh yeah, this one. This is one about third. This is a fox. And it has a pretty cool tail. Not much to write home about. There's a tiger. It's a pretty cool cat. I actually built him fourth. No, not fourth. Actually, I built this one. Yeah, I did build this one fourth. And the last one, the unicorn. This one is actually, I actually built this one last. And then again, it looks nothing like a unicorn. It looks more like a dragon because of the head. Like that does not even look like a horse. So I don't really get why they call this a unicorn. This one can't really move its legs at all. It just kind of stands there like all of them. I guess it must have been a typo or something. Or maybe a mistranslation. So for comparison, here you are with my wooden Jeep. Well, a wooden Jeep model kit. And this Starscream from my last wooden model kit video. And also this music box robot. He's kind of loose though. His music still kind of works though. You know, and I also really like the Jeep because it had suspension tires. So yeah, I mean, they all look pretty good together, right? Except these ones are a bit darker. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. As always, like, comment, and subscribe.